Hello everyone, it is Tuesday, it is 2 o'clock, so y'all know what time it is. That's right, it's story time at home with the Fayetteville Woodpeckers. I'm Victoria Huggins, Manager of Community and Media Relations. We have shared so many wonderful times here on Story Time at Home with the Woodpeckers. I hope you've been enjoying it. Hello Irvin, hello everybody joining in on Instagram. I see people joining in on Facebook as well. Hope your Tuesday is off to a great start. We're another day closer to our 2021 baseball season. I don't know about you, but I'm ready for some baseball to return. That everything is ready to go for all of you when you do return to Seger Stadium. We are going to have some special events here, non-baseball oriented, until we can bring everybody in 2021. So you're just going to love what we have going on in the work. Special thanks to our friends with the city of Fayetteville. We have been working hand in hand to make sure that everything is as safe as possible so that when you do come back in, you're going to be able to have the ultimate Fayetteville Woodpeckers experience. Ready because we're still doing some great things with our philanthropy, the Woodpeckers Fund, as well as the Community Leaders Program, with special help from our community leaders partners, Segra, Carolina's Dentist, Walsingham Group, ASUS, and AVEX, and Blanton's Air Plumbing and air heating and trying to get all three of those in there. So they help us with doing very special projects to help the military as well as youth sports and some other like natural causes, natural disasters. So be on the lookout and be watching our social media for those special announcements coming up very soon. Bunker's been very busy this past week. He has been coming up with some great ideas of how to stay busy and how to keep the stadium safe. So make sure that you keep a lookout on our Instagram and on our Facebook, and especially Twitter, because, you know, since Bunker is a bird, he does like to tweet. So make sure you keep a lookout. Okay, another thing that I wanted to tell you about is we have Woodpeckers hand sanitizer that goes on your pocketbook. So make sure that you go by the Bird's Nest Team store, get some it because it has our alternative logo. If you want to add another one to your collection, those will be dropping very soon, so keep a look on the team store. Okay, are you ready to read? I thought so. Well, today we are going to be reading a very special book, because all books are special, let's just be honest. But I love this story because it talks about friendship, and what better gift do we have in life other than friendship? And this talks about the friendship between Pig and Pug. So if you're ready, let's go ahead and get those likes and loves going, and let's put our listening ears on and let's read together. Instagram, I see you. Facebook. Okay, here we go. Pig and Pug by Laura Marchesani and Zanades Medina Jr. I don't know if I just murdered that name. I am so sorry if I did. But let's dig in. Pig lives on a farm. There are 4 cows, there are 10 chickens, and there are 6 sheep. So there they are, all on the farm. But there is just one pig. Every morning, the animals go to work. The cows give milk, the chickens lay eggs, the sheep eat grass. Pig sleeps alone in his pen. Every afternoon, the animals play together. The cows, the chickens cluck. Do you guys know how to cluck? Cluck, 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 cluck. The sheep baa together. Pig snorts alone. No, I am not snorting for this video, but you can do it at home. Let me hear you snort. Very good. Pig snorts alone. Pig wants a friend. Oh, he's lonely. One day, someone new comes to the farm. What is this? Oh, it's so exciting. It is not a cow. It is not a chicken. It is not a sheep. Is it a pig? What do you think, boys and girls? I think I would recognize. The cows think it is. It has a curly tail like a pig, but it is not a pig. Oh, looky there. The chickens think it is a pig. It snorts like a pig, but it is not a pig. The sheep think it is a pig. It rolls like a pig. Just ask Mommy and Daddy to go to the local bookstore, or you can go to the Cumberland County Library or wherever your library is that's close to where you live, and you can read the books that we read here together on Story and encourage that love of reading at an early age.